Y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Veronica and I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a day in the life of my 10-month-old daughter, of what she eats in a day. We do baby-led weaning, which essentially means you feed the baby similar foods to what you would eat yourself. And I'm going to show you what she eats for breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a typical day. Now, Zoe is a breastfed baby and she still nurses regularly throughout the day and night. So these are meals that are fit in between her nursing. Our day usually starts around 9 a.m. where we start thinking about getting Zoe ready for her breakfast. Again, she is still nursing, so she usually has a nursing session as soon as she wakes up in the morning, and then we try to do her breakfast around an hour after that. This morning was a very simple breakfast of porridge with a little bit of oat milk, some toast, as well as a banana. Now, we make our porridge so that she can pick it up, so it's a little bit thick for her to play with. As you see, she is going to make some funny faces as she's discovering the texture and the taste of the porridge, but she seems to like it. When we first started weaning, I thought all these faces meant that she doesn't like it, but I think it's just the faces babies make when they're discovering new things. So we usually put some food down on her tray so she can play around with it. You see me in the background heating up my coffee for the third time this morning. But yeah, we just let her play with the food on her tray so she can explore it and not feel too much pressure. And one thing that she always eats pretty much every single time is banana. She loves banana. When she starts playing around with her food more than she's eating it, we figure she is done. As you can see, she's in a good mood. She's got a little bit of porridge over her face, and she was in her high chair for almost an hour. So she really takes her time eating her food and exploring. But as you can see, she leaves behind a pretty big mess. Lunch is a very simple meal of just some quartered cherry tomatoes, some black olives, and some avocado with some of these veggie straws crumbled on top of them. Cherry tomatoes she loves, she will eat them nonstop. Black olives, she loves things that are a little bit savory. And the avocado, we really want to get her into it because it's such a good source of healthy fat. And we have crumbled these little veggie straws onto them to make the avocado a little bit easier to grab. Oh, and a banana for dessert. As you can see, she loves cherry tomatoes. She loves practicing kind of picking them up, and when she drops them, she does try to get them again, and this is probably her favorite food around this age. The olives, we usually give them to her as a little treat because we try to offer things that we know she will like, that we think she would like, and that we aren't just sure if she would like yet. And this way it encourages her to try different things. And if she doesn't like everything, she'll at least have one or two things on her plate that she does like. The avocado was an average hit. Now it's time to start thinking about dinner. Because I'm making her a cooked dinner, I'm making it a little bit earlier than usual so that it has time to cool down. I took some spinach, some fresh basil, some cherry tomatoes, and some mushrooms, and I just sauteed that all in a pan with a little bit of olive oil and garlic powder and added some cooked penne pasta to that. I am putting Zoe in a smock because I can already tell this is going to be a messy dinner. She is literally bouncing up and down with excitement. She loves pasta, she loves savory dishes, and she loves anything tomato based. So even though she's still kind of learning how to eat the pasta and trying to figure it out, she really loves the flavor and she makes her way through it. So that's it. That's everything that she ate in a typical day. As you can see, some things she likes a little bit more than others, but this is just to give you some meal inspiration. So if you've got a 10-month-old baby at home, I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration as to some recipe ideas or things that you can feed them that they might like. And also I think it's nice to see what other babies around the same age are eating to kind of get a little bit of reassurance that, yeah, of course, we can give them all the food, we can put it right in front of them, but they're not going to eat everything that we give them. And it was nice to, I think, show a realistic snapshot into our days so that you can see that It's not always easy. She doesn't always want to eat, and that is just reality.